Okay, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be extremely powerful because I'm about to show you a brand new idea and a highly profitable niche that is not only trending right now, but also 100% monetizable. And here's the best part. We're going to do everything using 100% free tools. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we need to understand the niche and the proof that this actually works. So open YouTube and search for a channel called Anacraft. When you open this channel, you'll notice something very important. This channel has over 6 million subscribers and more than 280 videos uploaded. Now think about that for a second. This is not a small or new channel. This is a fully established, fully monetized entertainment channel that is consistently getting millions of views. Now click on the Shorts section and sort the videos by popular. This is where things get really interesting. You'll start seeing videos with 100 million views, 80 million views, 50 million views, and many more in the millions. And here's the most important observation. These videos are not complex. They are simple 2D animated story videos. Yes, very simple visuals, basic characters, short storytelling, but extremely engaging. This tells us something very powerful. I've already created a master prompt, which you'll find in the description. This master prompt is extremely powerful because it includes everything you need: main character details, side characters, full storyline, environment and background, scene-by-scene breakdown. So instead of thinking manually, you just copy the master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you click Generate, within seconds, boom, you'll get a complete structured output. Not just random text, but 10 complete scenes, scene descriptions, video prompts, voiceover scripts. Everything is generated automatically. This saves you hours of work and gives you a professional structure instantly. Now what you need to do is copy all the generated scenes and paste them into a document file. This will help you stay organized and manage your workflow easily. Trust me, organization is very important when you're creating multiple videos. Now let's move to the next step, image generation. For this, we're going to use a free tool called Flow AI. This tool is very powerful and perfect for generating 2D animated style images. Open Flow AI, click on Create with Flow, and start a new project. Now take your first image prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Select the model, then click on Generate. Wait for a few seconds, and boom, your first image is ready. Now look at the quality. The image is clean, colorful, and perfectly matches the 2D animation style that is trending right now. This is exactly the type of content that performs well on YouTube Shorts. Now repeat the same process for all your prompts. Paste each prompt one by one, generate images, and within a few minutes, all your images will be ready. Once done, review all the images, pick the best ones, and download them. Now you have your complete visual assets ready. Now comes the most important part of this entire process, turning these images into videos. This is where most people struggle, but today I'm going to make it super simple for you. Open the website Dreamina AI, also known as Dreamina CapCut. This platform is one of the best tools for AI video generation. When you open the website, you'll notice that it gives you around 120 free credits, which is amazing. And the best feature? It provides access to Seedance 2.0 completely free. Yes, viewers, 100% free. Now go to the AI Agent section. Here you might see options like AI Video or AI Avatar marked as Coming Soon. But don't worry, I'll show you a simple trick to unlock these features. For this, you can use a VPN. One good option is Windscribe. You can download it easily and turn it on. Once your VPN is active, refresh the Dreamina. And just like that, boom. Now you'll see that the video generation features are fully unlocked. This means you now have access to powerful AI video tools. Now go inside the video section. Here you'll see options like Seedance 2.0 Fast, Standard. Seedance 2.0, let's start creating our video. First, upload your image. After selecting the image, enable the Omni Reference Mode. Here, you need to define the first frame and the last frame. This helps the AI understand how the motion should happen. Now select Dreamina Seedance 1.0 Fast. This option usually costs around 25 credits and generates a high-quality 5-second video. Now write a strong prompt describing what you want in the animation. Then click on Generate. The video will start processing. It usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. Let's wait. And boom, your first video is ready. Now watch it carefully. You'll notice smooth animation, perfect motion, and a professional look. It follows your prompt accurately, which is exactly what we need. Now repeat the same process for all your images. Select the next image, add a good prompt, click Generate, and wait. Within minutes, you'll have multiple video clips ready. This is how easily you can convert static images into dynamic, engaging videos. And this is the exact strategy behind viral short-form content. Now let's move to the next step. VoiceOver. For VoiceOver, we're going to use a tool called ElevenLabs. This tool is known for its ultra-realistic AI voices. Open ElevenLabs and go to the Voice Design section. Now paste your script. Choose a voice. For example, you can select Adam for a professional tone, then click on Generate. Within seconds, your voiceover is ready. The quality is natural, clear, and highly engaging. This is exactly what you need to keep viewers hooked. Now, we have everything ready. Video clips, voiceover, story structure. Now it's time to combine everything. Open CapCut. Import all your video clips into the timeline. Arrange them in sequence according to your scenes. If you notice any watermark or unwanted logo, you can remove it using the scale or crop option. Now add your voiceover to the timeline. Adjust the clips according to the voice timing. Make sure everything syncs perfectly. You can also add background music, sound effects, and subtitles to make your video more engaging. And just like that, your final video is ready. Now export the video in high quality, preferably 4K for the best results. Now think about what you just did. In just a short time, using completely free tools, you created a full animated story video that has the potential to go viral. This is the power of AI and smart content creation. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need advanced skills. You just need the right process. And now you have it. If you stay consistent and upload daily, you can build a strong channel in this niche. And once your channel grows, monetization becomes very easy. You can earn through ads, brand deals, and even affiliate marketing. Oh my God, viewers, this is honestly amazing. I hope you really enjoyed this video and learned something valuable today. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because I'll keep bringing you more powerful ideas, new niches, and free tools that can help you grow faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting strategy. Until then, keep creating, keep growing, and goodbye.